Hey guys, I'm going back to another quick inform video. Sorry for the road noise. I'm just before work, so I'm doing this video. I'm outside my car, so yeah. But yeah, guys, a special deal alert right now. Boost Mobile does have the Labor Day savings, an extra 20% off new Android phones. Everybody knows with the release of the LG Stylo 4 Plus, you can get really good savings with this, and this is what a lot of people have been waiting for. So that's why I like reporting these news for you guys, so you can save money. So let's get into it, guys. As you can see, the promo code is Labor Day 18, so you can go to shop now. Takes you to all Android phones. This is for only new Android phones, so no pre-owned devices, but the main ones we're focusing today is going to be the LG Stylo 4 Plus. So you can see it is at $280. You can get an extra 20% off. This is limited time offer only. You guys know this only goes for a couple days, probably till about Tuesday, but I would say if you can, do it now before it's gone or while supplies last. I would not recommend you getting the Stylo 4 with the 20% off through boostmobile.com. You can actually go through Walmart and get it for $129.99 or $130. Still a lot cheaper than $200 plus 20% off, because that's only going to save you what, $20 or so. Now the LG Stylo 4, guys, with a promo, I did the discount. You will get it for $224. That is, I guess, a steal. You know, there's nothing else cheaper than this. I just finished doing the unboxing. You can check that out in the description below. I will have a link to that, like I said, so you can check it out. Now another one that is basically I'm eyeing now, same thing, you know, Samsung Galaxy S9 700, you can take 20% off. 20% off of 700 is quite a bit of money, so that's good savings. The one we're focusing on is the refinance. Well, it's $230. You can get 20% off. But the one is the Moto E5 Plus, guys. $150. It retails for $180. They have it for $150. And then you take an extra 20% off. That's gonna bring it down to, I believe, $130. No, $120. It saves you $30 or so. How much does it save you? I believe it saves you $20. Let me just, yeah, that's how much it will be. So let's just double check it. Use code. I just had it. So add a card. I believe it brings it down to $120. So promo code. Let's put that in there. If I did the math correct, yeah, look at that, $120. It saves you $30. So I was correct. Saves you $30. You will get it for $120. At $120, guys, the Moto E5 Plus is a definitely buy. I have rated this phone high on my reviews, and it's up for budget phone of 2018 for Boost Mobile. It's definitely a win at $120. Get it while supplies last, because you know this phone does tend to go out of stock pretty quick. The LG Stylo 4 Plus, like I said, you can get for $224, so that's a pretty good price as well. But I would recommend you get the Moto E5 Plus, if anything. You can check out my videos on that in the description below, or just in my videos overall. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. If you want to support the channel, you can via my PayPal in the description below, and you can check out netbuddy.co. Offers true unlimited AT&T Hotspot for only $60 a month, but if you use my link and promo code Sanchez45973, it will save you $10 off your first month. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragon and Warfare signing off.